Study vocabulary phrases. Number 1, natural places កន្លែងធម្មជាតិ Number 2, release stress and worry បន្ធូរភាពតានតឹងនិងកង្វល់ Number 3, natural scenery ទេសភាពធម្មជាតិ Number 4, next destination គោលដៅបន្ទាប់ Number 5, be fond of something ចូលចិត្តអ្វីមួយ Number 6, camp បោះជំរំ Number 7, famous natural attractions តំបន់ទេសចរណ៍ធម្មជាតិល្បី Number 8, mountain ranges ភ្ជួរភ្នំ Number 9, motivation ការលើកទឹកចិត្ត Conversation about natural scenery. Conversation about natural scenery. សន្ទនាអំពីទេសភាពធម្មជាតិ Do you like visiting natural places? Do you like visiting natural places? តើអ្នកចូលចិត្តទៅលេងកន្លែងធម្មជាតិទេ Yes, I do. Being close to nature helps me release stress and worry. Yes, I do. Being close to nature helps me release stress and worry. បាទខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តភាពស្និទ្ធស្នាលជាមួយធម្មជាតិជួយខ្ញុំបន្ធូរភាពតានតឹងនិងកង្វល់ What's the most impressive natural scenery you've ever seen? What's the most impressive natural scenery you've ever seen? តើទេសភាពធម្មជាតិដ៏គួរឲ្យចាប់អារម្មណ៍បំផុតដែលអ្នកមិនធ្លាប់ឃើញនោះជាអ្វី That's the hole of the Colorado River in Arizona. It's such a great scenic place on Earth. That's the hole of the Colorado River in Arizona. It's such a great scenic place on Earth. នោះជាទ្រនាប់ជើងសេះនៃទន្លេ Colorado ក្នុងរដ្ឋ Arizona វាជាកន្លែងដែលមានទេសភាពដ៏អស្ចារ្យនៅលើផែនដី Where did you see it? Where did you see it? តើអ្នកបានឃើញវានៅពេលណា I visited the place last summer holiday. I visited the place last summer holiday. ខ្ញុំបានទៅលេងកន្លែងសម្រាករដូវក្តៅមុន Who went with you? Who went with you? អ្នកណាទៅជាមួយអ្នក I went there with my family. We camped near the place. I went there with my family. We camped near the place. ខ្ញុំបានទៅទីនោះជាមួយគ្រួសាររបស់ខ្ញុំយើងបានបោះជំរំនៅជិតកន្លែងនោះ What's special about it? What's special about it? តើមានអ្វីពិសេសអំពីវា I'm fond of the great nature there. It's the horsehole-shaped meander of Colorado River. I'm fond of the great nature there. It's a horsehole-shaped meander of Colorado River. ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តធម្មជាតិដ៏អស្ចារ្យនៅទីនោះវាជាផ្លូវរាងទ្រនាប់ជើងសេះនៃទន្លេ Colorado. How has it changed recently? How has it changed recently? តើថ្មីនេះមានការប្រែប្រួលយ៉ាងណា It doesn't change much actually. It doesn't change much actually. តាមពិតវាមិនផ្លាស់ប្ដូរច្រើនទេ What's the next natural scenery you would like to visit? What's the next natural scenery you would like to visit? តើទេសភាពធម្មជាតិបន្ទាប់ដែលអ្នកចង់ទៅទស្សនាគឺជាអ្វី My next destination would be the Maroon Bells in Colorado. I fell in love with mountain range and yellow flowers there. My next destination would be the Maroon Bells in Colorado. I fell in love with mountain ranges and yellow flowers there. ទិសដៅបន្ទាប់របស់ខ្ញុំគឺ Maroon Bells ក្នុងរដ្ឋ Colorado ខ្ញុំជាប់ចិត្តនឹងជួរភ្នំនិងផ្កាពណ៌លឿងនៅទីនោះ What can people get from visiting natural places? What can people get from visiting natural places? តើមនុស្សអាចទទួលបានអ្វីខ្លះពីការទៅលេងកន្លែងធម្មជាតិ People will get closer to Mother Nature. Children have more motivation to discover the world around them. People will get closer to Mother Nature. Children have more motivation to discover the world around them. មនុស្សនឹងខិតទៅជិតមេដាធម្មជាតិកុមារមានការលើកទឹកចិត្តកាន់តែច្រើនក្នុងការស្វែងរកពិភពលោកជុំវិញពួកគេ What are some famous natural attractions in your country? What are some famous natural attractions in your country? តើតំបន់ទេសចរណ៍ធម្មជាតិល្បីៗនៅក្នុងប្រទេសរបស់អ្នកមានអ្វីខ្លះ There are many such as Death Valley, Niagara Falls, the Redwoods, and the Grand Canyon, to name a few. There are many such as Death Valley, Niagara Falls, the Redwoods, and the Grand Canyon, to name a few. មានជាច្រើនដូចជា Death Valley, Niagara Falls, the Redwoods និង Grand Canyon ដើម្បីដាក់ឈ្មោះមួយចំនួន Study vocabularies or phrases. Number 1. Natural places កន្លែងធម្មជាតិ Number 2. Release stress and worry បន្ធូរភាពតានតឹងនិងកង្វល់ Number 3. Natural scenery ទេសភាពធម្មជាតិ Number 4. Next destination គោលដៅបន្ទាប់ Number 5. Be fond of something ចូលចិត្តអ្វីមួយ Number 6. Camp បោះជំរំ Number 7. Famous natural attractions តំបន់ទេសចរណ៍ធម្មជាតិល្បី Number 8. Mountain ranges ជួរភ្នំ Number 9. Motivation ការលើកទឹកចិត្ត Thank you.